What are you doing? You want to do it? What are you doing? Swinging? Is it fun? Yeah. Is it cold out? Whoa.
No.
You doing it all by yourself?
I'm not cold.
You're not cold? Are you warm?
Yeah, I want.
You're warm? Is there snow out?
No.
There's no snow?
Yeah.
Is it everywhere?
Yeah.
Where we live, Indiana? Can you say Indiana?
Run.
Say them Indiana boys.
Little boys.
Them Indiana boys.
Little boys.
We go hard.
I'll go hard.
We go hard.
I'll go hard.
Who is it?
Hi.
The Indiana boys. Are you cold yet? Are you cold?
No.
No. How are you doing today?
Okay.
You want me to swing it?
Yeah.
You ready? Wow!
Okay.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Here you go. That's fun.
Again.
Again? Here you go. That fun? That fun?
Yeah. Do again.
Again? Boom. Woo! That fun? That fun?
Yeah. Again.
You're the best.
Do again.
No, you're the best. You're the best. You're the best.
Do again.
You're the best. Are we friends?
Yeah.
Are we friends?
Yeah.
We are?
Yeah.
Are we friends to the end?
Yeah.
Do you like being outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the snow? You want to go walk in the snow some more?
No.
No? You want to just swing?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like swinging?
You do this.
It's too wet, buddy. I don't want to sit in the wet snow. Here. I love you. Love you. I gotta go. Say bye. You say bye?
Bye.
Say deuces.
Do this.
See you later.
See you later.
Dirty Red 1000
Daddy does.
on YouTube.
Okay.
Who is it? Mason and Daddy?
Yeah.
Mason and Daddy.
Do again.
Do it again. You ready?
Yeah.
Bye. Can you wave goodbye?